Hello, my name is Julius, and thank you for watching episode 17 of Applicable Applications. Today we're going to be talking about another note-taking app. In episode 16, we talked about Obsidian, and in this episode we're going to be talking about Anytype, which is a combination of Obsidian and Notion, which are both really popular note-taking apps. And in episode 18, I'll be talking about another note-taking app called Capacity, so stay tuned for that. Now, Anytype is a great note-taking app that has features that are designed to enhance your note-taking and organization while making sure all your notes are private. Some of its key features are its note-taking system, which are centered around objects. And objects are essentially templates or structured notes that allows you to predefine the type of notes you're going to be taking, whether it's tasks, journal entries, or book notes, making it more organized and easier for you to manage your notes. It has great customization and flexibility. It allows you to customize your notes and make it specific to your workspace or specific to your needs. It has custom templates, layouts, and widgets, and you can also arrange your notes into columns and add icons and covers, essentially decorating it, making that notebook more personal to you, helping you connect with your notes even more. It has a graph view, just like Obsidian in the previous episode, which helps to visualize how your notes are interconnected. And this is really useful for knowledge management, as it allows you to see the relationship between your notes and help you gather that information more efficiently and effectively. Now, one of the big things about Anytype is its privacy policies, or how it protects your data. All your data, just like Obsidian, is stored on your desktop. And if you have multiple devices, it keeps that synchronized through a encrypted tunnel that sends your notes and makes sure nobody can try and access that without your permission. And also, since it's on your desktop, you can work on all your notes offline. And that means you can also access your notes quickly and efficiently, since it doesn't require a Wi-Fi connection, since it's all on your device. And Anytype, not only is it a strong note-taking app for you personally, but it can also help support teams. You can create multiple workspaces that can assign different tasks to different people. And this app is also still in development, but the real-time collaboration that it has is just as good as some of the other apps or note-taking apps that are there. Another thing about Anytype is the way it organizes and categorizes its notes. Just like Obsidian, it uses tags and metadata that helps to organize and connect different notes rather than using traditional folders. And also, you can create different tables that contains multiple media, and that media can be traced back to whatever note you have, or can be placed in multiple notes. And not only that, they can be customized extensively. It's also easy for you to transfer data from other apps to Anytype, or from Anytype to other apps, which is very nice and helpful for someone who's just getting in there. As of current, you can only import notes that you have from Notion into Anytype, but as they continue to build up Anytype and fix out more bugs, you will be able to bring in more data from other note-taking apps. And as I said before, if you noticed, a lot of the features that I mentioned from Anytype are similar to what I mentioned in the previous episode about Obsidian. So if you want to learn more about what those features I mentioned were, like metadata tags, or how Anytype stores your data on your desktop and how that works and how it's more efficient, I would recommend you go look at episode 16 and get some more information on that. Thank you for watching episode 17 of Applicable Applications, and I will talk to you guys next time.